Introducing Paladin EXT, breaking through the barriers of radio-based UAVs and their limited range. With an easy installation of the EXT module, fly your DJI drone beyond visual line of sight. EXT enables you to operate first responder programs without the need for a remote pilot in command on a rooftop. Fly anywhere in the country with an LTE connection via a centrally located command center. Receive a call for service and have a live overhead view within minutes. Gather valuable situational awareness on the ground and broadcast a live feed to your team across multiple devices before first responders arrive on the scene.
It is a game changer. DFR is the future. As drone first responders, it lets you respond to calls where seconds count.
We're also excited to extend the autonomous controls and unlimited range of the EXT to other industries and unlock new possibilities in 3D mapping, inspections, and agriculture.
Paladin EXT. Limitless range, unlimited possibilities.